Bebo, I see you hiding down there. I have something for you. Look, there's an enemy trying to be a flower. Silly thing. I have had a delivery of hats. There's loads in there. Maybe about 10, 15. Anyway, one of them was a little Santa hat. And Boba already has one, so I'm going to give this one to Bebo. I actually don't give Bebo that many hats anymore because he's an old man. And I'm surprised he's still alive, if I'm completely honest. I've just gently moved him to the front so we can see him a bit better. I got these hats off Etsy. And they are marine safe. Oh, he fits perfect. If anything, it's a little bit too big, actually, buddy. Well, as always, Bebo, you look absolutely adorable, and now you're ready for Christmas.